There's a reason why I'm doing like that. I need to back up a little bit. I gotta get L150. Oh, there's the lighting. Dang it.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 33.7, track 1.
Hey, let you know, L150 and M277 passing me now. If you hurry up to Point of Rocks, M416 with a C&O, it should be around Dickinson now or passing Dickinson. So that background you're hearing is L150 and 277.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 33.7, track 2.
That's for L150 on track 2. M277 is on track 1. Hey Brian, let you know, L150 and M277 is passing me at JD now. So let you know, buddy. Hey Spud, if you're still on the med sub, L150 and M277 is passing me now at JD. And it goes to tail ends, at both ends. Sweet. I think I'm going to probably in about 5:45, roughly the first train came to now. Whew. 11 trains. Like a penny. So 5:45 to 11:56 is 12 o'clock. 6 hours and 15 minutes. Damn.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 33.7, track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 3-9er 2. End of transmission.
7726 West 1, no defects. Super Brentwood 4741 F. T77 looks good. Yeah, well, we can see every Richmond look good too.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 33.7, track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 168. End of transmission.